Okay, this is the homework for Module 512. I did all of it on the paper, but alas, it wasn't recording, so I'm just going to redo it right here. It says, find the area of rectangles with the following dimensions and explain your thinking using the area model. So we're going to be finding the area using fractional dimensions. So 2 and... Sorry about that. 2 1/4 yard times 1/4 of a yard. Okay, so first I'm just going to draw my rectangle. Okay, and all I'm doing is an area model. Remember, we're not tiling, we're just decomposing this. So I'm going to decompose 2 1/4 to 2 plus 1/4. And I'll draw a line to go ahead and separate that. Now, my last dimension is 1/4 yard. Don't forget to write in those dimensions. I know it's hard to remember, but we want to be thorough. Okay, next, I'm just going to be multiplying each section. Well, yeah, each section. So 1/4 yard times 2 yards. Now, I can either think of this as 1/4 of a yard, or I can think of this as 2 times 1/4. So what is 2 times 1 banana? 2 bananas. What's 2 times 1/4? 2/4 yard squared. Remember, because we're dealing with area, I multiplied two factors with yards. So 1/4 times 1/4, if you've forgotten how to do this, go back to the roots, okay? 1/4 times 1/4. We multiply straight across because we're multiplying a fraction of a fraction. So 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 4 is 16. So this would be 1/16 yards squared. Okay, now I'm going to add these two together to get my whole area, but we can't add them because we have different denominators. So I'm going to change 2/4 yards into a denominator with 16ths. So what times 4 equals 16? That's 4. Do it to the bottom, I got to do it to the top, and 2 times 4 is 8. It's easy to think about when you think of 2/4 yards is an equivalent fraction to 1/2. And 2 is half of 4. Well, 8 is half of 16. So now instead of 2/4, I've got 8/16. And so I'm going to add 8/16 yards squared to 1/16 yards squared. So my area would be 19/16 yards squared.